What's up, you guys? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today we're inspecting a garage. More like a workshop style garage. And what we have here, we have two electrical panels, sub panels. There's some poor wiring going on inside that, but really what I want to focus on is the rest of the electrical throughout here. So I'm going to show you some of the deficiencies, some of the things that I write up in the report. Okay, so the first thing here, we have some electrical outlets here, and as you can see, they're wired properly, but everything in the garage is supposed to be GFCI protected. When I hit my button, no GFCI trip. We got those going on all around the garage. Somebody's coming through and add, like I say, it's like a workshop, so they've been doing a lot of work out here. They've added a whole lot of electrical, and as you can see, everyone I plug into, we have no GFCI protection. Okay, so the next one here, same thing, except of course it's missing the cover. The only thing is, if you look closely, this one actually is wired with an open ground. So not only is it not GFCI protected, because none of them out here are, but it actually is not grounded at all. And so let's move on and find something else. Okay, so now I'm back over here and we have a workbench. We have some electrical that's run to it, so let's plug in our tester and see what we find. Okay, and if we look closely at this one, we can tell that it is wired in reverse polarity, meaning the hot and neutral wires have been reversed. The next thing I want to show you, and this is going on throughout the whole garage here, is we have a slew of open junction boxes such as this, and you can see we got wire nuts holding wires together. And if I grab my little tester here, I'm going to just see if it's hot, and let me turn the camera around, and I'll take you around to some other ones too. Okay, so here we go, and I'm going to take my little tester and touch it to the, oh, there we go. Yeah, definitely hot. So this is within reach, obviously. Any junction box such as this needs to be completely enclosed. But let's go see what else we can find, because I think I saw a couple more around here. Okay, here's the next one. My flashlight here. So we have another one going on right here. And this is kind of going on, like I say, throughout the entire garage. This is a sort of a bathroom that we have going on here, and you can see this is just an open-ended wire altogether. It doesn't have a junction box at all, and still very hot. So there's a small attic space above the garage, and I thought, well, with all that electrical running through there, let me come up here and see what I can find, and let me turn this camera around and show you what I found up here. All right, as you can see, we got splice wires, open junction boxes that's going on right here. I see some back over there, even back a little bit further. Let me see if I can zoom in. Can't really see it too good, but anyway, you get the point. Okay guys, like I stated before, we got a couple of breaker boxes out here. They're sub panels. Now, I'm not going to open them up and show you what's going on, but there's definitely some sketchy wiring going on in there. Definitely some neutrals and grounds that are bonded together in both panels. It's not a good situation. Overall, at the very least, this entire garage, we're going to suggest that a licensed electrician come look at this and see what they can do to bring everything up where it should be and get that safety level brought up. We definitely don't want all these loose wires hanging around. This is a definite safety hazard. Okay guys, I got a lot of inspecting to do, so I'm going to get back after it, but give me a call so I can inspect your next house. Bye now.
Hey you guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and share, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, head on over to YouTube and hit subscribe.